KMC English channel devotees, Namaste. This is a Kedarnath way. Many saints, many yogis, tapasya, deep meditation, deep samadhi. Kedarnath, this Baba and mountains caves stay. This Baba, this is a gate close time ka video. This time no one, this place. Many saints, deep meditation Babas sometimes coming and Kedarnath temple darshan. Gate closing time video. Temple lock but outside to darshan going many Babas. This Baba deep meditation, deep samadhi on the ice. Many Babas and many great yogis, these Babas. No eating Babas, no drinking Babas, without food Babas, many Babas. Very hard, very tough, very difficulty. Samadhi, meditation, very hard tapasya, hard work doing these Babas. Gate closing time, temple lock time, Kedarnath's view, 0-degree weather, total ice, all round of ice, mountains, temple front side, back side, round of total ice. Many Babas caves to outside coming. Gate closing time, caves to outside coming. This is Annakshetra, free food centers, and many Babas outside coming and the deep meditation and temple near and outside, everywhere sitting and deep meditation in Kedarnath. Gate close time, many Babas, many saints and yogis, deep meditation, and gate open time and going and in caves secretly meditation doing. This is a Garuda Chetti Sitaram Baba Shishya student, sometime coming and darshan Kedarnath Mandir. Gate closing time, many Babas. This is Sitaram Baba Garuda Chetti is coming. Gate closing time, sometime 8 kilometers to Garuda Chetti ashram to Kedarnath temple, 8 kilometers by walk to coming darshan Kedarnath temple. After going his ashram total near all ice. Kedarnath by walk tour only, no bus route, no road, no bus route, by walk tour only. So that wise and very difficulty tour, and do Kedarnath staying very difficulty, very cold weather. This gate open होने के बाद open time and many this Baba Naga Baba Damaru Har Har Mahadeva, Om Namah Shivaya. This Baba Agori Baba Nath Baba is very chanting and Har Har Mahadeva, is praying, is bhajan, is singing and Har Har Mahadeva. PM Modi is and very greatest leader and is young age meditation 3 years Kedarnath cave. Every year one time coming Kedarnath Mandir darshan, and 2019 coming 24 hours staying and Modi shop, and 18 hours single sitting meditation doing, and Modi is hard work child age to be RSS student, very disciplined life. Kedarnath temple near Modi cave and sitting single sitting 3 years, young age time, very young age time, and this time also sometimes coming and staying and meditation one day spending every year. His cave like Modi ji, inspirational PM. Many difficulty life and Himalayas Babas, no water, ice inside water. So that why this is Baba is water purpose some working. Round of mountains and very cold weather. Himalayas everywhere no water. Winter time, cold time, and all ice and ice inside water. That wise and drinking purpose and bathing purpose and using water, only cold water. Very nature life, no food. Many without food babas, no eating, no drinking. Sometime outside coming time, bathing purpose using ice water. Other time, Baba's cave sitting deep meditation. Maybe many times and Himalayas all round tours and Kedarnath also many time. Manimayas also. Kedarnath time, deep meditation time. Many devotees and this photo making. I know photography that time, but one devotee is making my picture. That time no camera. Many years maybe Himalayas and my guru is autobiography of a yogi, guru, two bodies yogi, and Pranamananda Swamiji Maharaj student, and Avadhuti Giri Maharaj my guru. Maybe guru order to some days Himalayas meditation, after then coming and in South India ashram. Gate opening time, temple is open, so that wise and lighting. Night time no one, but some babas, temple near sitting and meditation, deep meditation. Kedarnath many miracle babas, many powerful babas, and many secret babas, no body babas, soul babas, and secretly sitting, secretly meditation. Every time rain and ice rain, cold weather, 0 degree. My Kedarnath time, tapasya, deep meditation. My picture. Many babas in tapasya meditation. Kedarnath on the way, all ice, very difficult weather, difficult way. This time new way some better, old way very danger. Kedarnath. Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho Shankara, Om Namah Shivaya. Kedarnath temple, gate open time, temple is open, light, already lights. Manimaya is also very difficulty, tough. Gate close time, very difficulty. Ice Barpani Baba inside to coming. This Baba, Ice Baba. This guru is 200 years life, and this Baba is live samadhi. Barpani Baba student. This Baba also Barpani Baba. This Baba staying. Ice caves, many yogis staying, saints staying secretly. Gate close time also many babas secretly staying, and many caves without food Baba. This Baba, many babas without food babas, no body babas, many miracle babas in Himalayas. Everywhere, every place sitting babas. Kedarnath gate close time, Garuda Chetti ashram to by walk to coming Sitaram Baba. 8 kilometers coming and darshan, sometimes Kedarnath Mandir darshan, return going his ashram. Garuda Chetti, Kedarnath on the way, old way, his ashram. Many babas, many difficulty. My pictures in Kedarnath tour. Very beautiful location, very nice location, and Kedarnath all ice mountains, all the ice, all round of ice. Maybe many years staying and in Kedarnath tapasya. My guru's order to many babas. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om